Jio Finance, your dost for all things Paisa. Life is full of surprises. Some good, some not so good. But one thing's for sure, we all need Paisa. And when it comes to Paisa matters, Jio Finance is like that reliable friend who always has your back. Whether you're planning a dream vacation, need a little help with a big purchase, or just want to secure your family's future, Jio Finance is there for you. It's like having a financial advisor, a loan officer, and an insurance agent all rolled into one. So, ditch the old school financial hassles and say hello to Jio Finance. It's time to take control of your Paisa and live life on your own terms. Loan woes? Jio Finance to the rescue? Need a new phone? Planning a wedding? Or maybe that dream bike is calling your name. We've all been there. But sometimes, our pockets need a little boost. That's where Jio Finance comes in. They offer loans that are quick, easy, and hassle-free. No more running around banks, filling out endless forms, or waiting for weeks on end. With Jio Finance, getting a loan is as simple as ordering food online. Just a few taps on your phone and bam, you're good to go. Insurance? Sorted. With Jio Finance's Chal. Life is unpredictable, right? 1 minute you're chilling, the next minute, bam! Life throws you a curveball. That's why having insurance is super important. But let's be honest, insurance can be confusing. Jio Finance makes it simple. They offer a range of insurance plans, from health and accident to car and travel. They explain everything in clear, easy-to-understand language, so you can choose the plan that's right for you and your loved ones. It's like having a safety net for life's unexpected tumbles. Section 4. Investments. Jio Finance makes it easy peasy. Investing your money wisely is crucial for a secure future. But the world of investments can feel like a maze sometimes. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds. It's enough to make your head spin, right? Jio Finance breaks down the complexities of investing and makes it accessible to everyone. They offer a variety of investment options tailored to your specific goals and risk appetite. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Jio Finance provides the tools and guidance you need to grow your wealth. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. Section 5. Jio Finance App, your pocket-sized financial guru. Remember the days of standing in long queues at the bank or struggling to understand complicated financial jargon? Those days are gone, my friend. Jio Finance has an app for that. This app is like your personal financial assistant, available 24/7. You can apply for loans, buy insurance, track your investments, and manage your money, all in one place. It's user-friendly, secure, and super convenient. No more paperwork, no more headaches. Just simple, straightforward financial management right at your fingertips. Section 6. Jio Finance, Aapka Finance, Aapki Control Mein. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances shouldn't be a chore. Jio Finance gets that. They believe in empowering you to take control of your Paisa. With their easy-to-use app, transparent policies, and diverse range of financial products, Jio Finance makes managing your money a breeze. It's about time we had a financial partner that understands our needs and speaks our language, right? So, what are you waiting for? Join the Jio Finance family today and experience the future of finance, because your Paisa